Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back and me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything's great. I hope you can hear me too. I'm testing this mic, new mic, you know what I'm saying? I have this 2020 Hyundai, whatever you want to call it, Ioniq. This is the plug-in hybrid, something like that. So I'm going to show you how to do the oil life reset, how to change the oil. Alright. So, hey, I'm not gonna hold you up though, but subscribe to the channel. You want to support the channel, go to the hall right below. It says thanks. Go through that, see what's up, and I would appreciate that. All right. Get your membership, and that's pretty much it. Come with me. I'll show you how to do it. All right, like a pro. Let's get it. Yeah. Not much. Not much. Everything neat. Everything neat. This is how you open the hood. All right. Just pull it once. Okay, let's go to the front. You see it, baby. Alright, so right here in the middle is gonna be the latch. Alright, this is what you see. Alright, 2020 1.6. Alright, here's the oil engine oil cap. It tells you what type of oil it takes, 0W20. Okay, that's full synthetic. Oil dipstick, coolant reservoir, windshield fluid reservoir. You see what's up. That's the motor, the hybrid. Is this fuse box or something? Yeah, fuse box. Okay, brake fluid reservoir. Yeah. Alright, let's go to the bottom. This is oil change. Come through here at the bottom. There's one cap over here, or cover, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be 10mm. 3 here. This is for the oil filter. It's also right there. It's for the oil drain plug. 2 pins. 2 pins. 2 pins. Alright. I hope this mic is good though. I want people to hear me. You know what I'm saying? My previous videos, I didn't talk that much. I was just like, you see what I'm doing? That's how you do it. But then some people were like, yo, you know, I need to hear this. And that's why I'm doing it. Alright. 3 here. This is for the oil filter. That's it. Let's see. You see it? You saw that one. And over here is the oil filter. Oh, this car has 5,000 miles, by the way. Let's see, I think that's a 15mm, if I'm not tripping. Gotta be. 15? No, 17. 17. Jackpot. Jackpot. Alright. Hey guys, how you been? I hope everything's good. Shout outs to everybody. I didn't give shout outs to my community channel, my fans, my subscribers, my viewers. I'm trying not to say much in the beginning though. I don't know if you like it or not though. I mean, between all of you guys, maybe 2 or 3 people, maybe. I have like almost 7,000 subscribers, right? And 1 or 2, they say, yo, stop talking and get to the point, this and that. But the thing is that you want to hear what's going on, right? You probably see it though, but you need to know some steps, some tips, and all that. So out of the 7,000 subscribers, there's like only like 2 or 3 that says, stop the BS, just get to the point. what I'm saying? So, but the other percentage, they say, I made this video that I wasn't talking, or I was talking in the beginning, and then suddenly it kind of like I went mute because the battery of the mic died, and this subscriber was like, "Oh, what happened with the audio? This and that, blah blah blah. I need to hear this. I need the steps and all that. I need to know everything." And I realized that you guys need to know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, maybe not all of you, but you see what I'm saying. And then shout outs to everybody. All right, shout outs to the community channel, lovers, haters. Keep doing your thing. I love you too. Yiddy. I'm gonna use this clamp while I'm draining that. I'm gonna show you in a second. Grapple. Uh, Yo. Whatever. So let me show you what I'm gonna use for that oil filter. You've seen it before. It's nothing new. Yo, and you probably wanna, maybe you wanna do your oil change because some of you probably think, oh no, I'm gonna F it up and I don't have time. Do it after work. You know what I'm saying? Do it after work. Do it in your house. The only thing you need is a jack. If you don't have a lift, this is what I'm gonna use for the oil filter, okay? Alright. I'm just gonna grab it and turn it counterclockwise. And I'm gonna let it drain for a minute. Alright, because as soon as I lose it, you see that? Alright, gonna start the oil pouring out. Alright. So what was I? Yeah, I have a funny team here. Man, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, the oil filter. Yeah. I'm gonna let it drain for a minute. This car has 5,000, almost 6,000 miles. All right, so everything is new. Everything is Gucci. The front brakes are normal. The rear brakes are it's EPB. Okay, electronic parking brake. All right. This is hybrid, by the way. 2020. Oh, the generation is I think it's the second generation or first. It's between 2020 and 2022. So if you have a Ioniq, Hyundai Ioniq, between those years, this is what you want to do. 1.6 engine, 1.6. Okay. You probably want to use a rag or something. This this uh this oil filter is original from the dealership. Kia, Hyundai, Kia Motors. Show it to you in a second. Let me show you what it looks like. Have to flip it so you can see it. All right. Okay. Korea. Alright. There you go. Let me show you how it looks. The oil filter housing. Alright. That's what it looks like. What you're gonna do now is wipe where the oil filter sits. Okay. Good. You put the new oil filter. So I'm gonna put the oil drain plug back. 17 millimeter. Remember that. 17 millimeter socket. Gucci. Put the new oil filter. In this case, I'm gonna use the parts master. Part number is 61334. I don't know how you're gonna see it though. All right. Love this. There. The same oil, WD-40. It's up to you. Put it back there. Tied it by hand. Tied it good. Don't use tools because you don't want to penetrate the oil filter. You don't want to make a hole in the oil filter because then it's going to start leaking. And your car is not going to have oil, although your car is going to tell you, the chicken in your light is going to turn on and it's going to tell you, yeah, you know what? You don't have oil. And you will be wondering why. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to put the covers back. Just tied it good. By hand. As hard as you can. It's back right here, just like that. Oh, I was saying that I'm doing this video so you can do your own oil change. I'm saying, so you can do it yourself. So you don't waste time in the dealership, especially. You know how the dealership works. The dealership, you gotta go, you gotta call, make an appointment, drop the car, and pick it up 5 hours later or so. And that sucks. You have to get a ride. You have to get another car. This and that. It's not valid. Takes too long. This one is a 1.6, right? I'm gonna pour 0W20 full synthetic 4 quarts. All right. Pour the oil slowly. You don't want it to overflow. And coat. And coat the brand new engine with oil. 4 quarts, right? And what I want to do now is start the car, let it run for a minute so the oil goes through the system. I'm gonna start it now. It's running right now. Okay. Let the oil go through the whole system. In the meanwhile, check the other fluids. All right, top it off. That should be good now. I'm gonna shut it down. check the oil fluid. Let's see what's up. Grab a rag. Stick now. Boom. Supposed to be right there, right here. You see, perfect. 4 quarts. All right, there you go. Let's reset the oil life now. Come with me. All right, we're here. Driver Kevin. I'm gonna start the car. Step on the brake. Press the start button. The car is running. Vroom. You see that? Service required. Okay, it's been 397 miles since the last service. We're gonna use this guy right here. This up and down. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna press this guy. You see that? Press it again. Go to the gear. Scroll down. Service interval. If you press this, press it. That's okay. It's gonna go in the option. Now here, scroll down. Press reset. Press OK. Reset time and distance. Press OK. Yes. All right. Now, if you want to adjust it, go there, adjust interval, press OK. You have full synthetic oil, so press OK. Okay. It's going to be 5,000 miles. Press OK. Bring it down, scroll down, press OK. This is supposed to be 5 months or so. Press OK. Scroll up. Let's pull 4 months. Press OK. Save it. Press OK. Service interval save. All right. Scroll up, go back. All right. That's pretty much it. Okay. Let's make sure I reset it. I'm gonna shut it down. Step on the brake pedal. Press the start button. And that's how you reset it. You don't see the message anymore. So you're good to go. All right. Now, guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. This was 2020. But if you have a car between 2020 and 2022, Hyundai Ioniq plug-in, which is hybrid, this video is for you. Okay. So I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm not gonna hold you up. Shout outs to everybody, lovers, haters, subscribers, viewers, family, members, community, channel, everybody, all right? The whole planet, all right? From Japan to Peru, okay? And I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. You know where to find me. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe. Smash the subscribe button, all right? I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. I'm gonna leave it right here. All right. See ya. Clocking out.